Hello everybody, I'm Jacob Hancock and you're watching J Pilot. It's been probably 6 months since I posted on here, but we are planning this trip out to go to Minnesota, and we're actually picking up a new airplane, but you don't know that yet. It's a surprise what it is. We're planning it out. We're thinking about leaving Monday. It is Friday. Well, we just got to Spruce. We're gonna go pick up this part, and then I will get back with y'all Monday. Hopefully the weather's gonna be good, and it's gonna be a long flight. It should be 10 hours or 8 hours. I don't remember how much it was. It was 10 or 8 hours there, and then we're flying that airplane back, and it's 11 hours. So I'll see y'all there. So it is 8:15 Sunday morning, and we decided we're gonna leave today. We're gonna try to leave around 2 instead of leaving tomorrow. But we're gonna fly a half a leg up there, and then we'll wake up the next morning, so Monday morning, and we'll go and get this mystery airplane that y'all still don't know. But Tim Allen, he has a Pacer now, so we're gonna go and he's gonna take us up there. So we're gonna ride in his Pacer, but we first need to go and put the back seat in the back of the airplane because he has it out, and then we can take off. Well, we were supposed to leave at like 2:30, and then he rescheduled to 3:30, and now it's 4 o'clock, and he's just filling up his airplane. So, hey, it's 4 o'clock. That's like 30 minutes off. More than that, actually, because
Different time zone.
different time zone. What time zone are you living in? Obviously.
Fashionably late.
No, not very fashionably. Just late.
says she's gonna get out. She'll be stronger than I know she's talking about. Ooh, the old time lovers. Ooh, the old time lovers. Ooh, the old time lovers. Ain't no good to see. Yeah. Ooh, the old time lovers. Ooh, the old time lovers. Ooh, the old time lovers ain't no good for me.
Okay, we've been flying for about 2 hours and then 30 minutes, and we just stopped to get gas. I'm trying to decide if I want to go to the other 3 hours that puts us like at a hotel, and then we can leave that morning and have 5 hours left. But right now I just want to stretch and walk around. It's pretty cramped back there, but yeah. I'm just gonna skip until we get to our next location. There's only 1 hour left until dark, so we have no clue where we're gonna end up, but wherever we end up is where we end up.
Lift me up and drown me all in your smile. Got a pair of blue jeans, make the girl go wild. I'm telling you, dreams they can come true. Crystal clear as water, all in my blood. Soul as deep as Mississippi and thick as mud. I'm betting you're gonna let this river run through you. I'm working on the building made of stone, working on sowing seeds that ain't been sown. I'm working on the building all alone. Honey, I've been on the rainbow all through this town, listening to the morning hell breaking of the clouds chasing me.
So the guys at the airport that we're at, KLVA, Vandalia Airport in Illinois, they were nice enough to let us use their hangar for Tim's Pacer since we think it's gonna rain in the morning. But now we gotta taxi this in here, and they have a courtesy car, and we're probably gonna take that to go eat because we're a little bit hungry. It's currently 8 o'clock, like 8:15 or something like that. But yeah. to the Holiday Inn. My phone's about to die. You see our ex-cop card for our courtesy card. But I'm gonna end this day right here, and I'll get back with y'all in the morning.
All right, so we are departing the hotel, headed to the airport. We had a huge storm come through last night. The visibility, or actually the ceilings, the visibility is actually pretty good, but the ceilings are down around 300 feet. So we're contemplating whether we're gonna count leaves. Actually, we decided we can't count leaves because there are no leaves out here. It's only fields. So we're pretty safe. We just got to make sure we jump across power lines when we get to those. At the moment, are you getting gas? We're hoping, I mean, looking at the ceiling, the clouds and stuff, it looks like we're going to be okay to get out of here. And then we've got a 2-hour leg to get refuel again, another 2-hour leg to get up to where we're going. And we're going to kind of have to plan that out because up there right now it's IFR. So we're going to have to wait for the ceilings to break up there so that we can get in. But we're hoping by the time we get to our next destination, get gas and head that way, it'll be clear.
Well, the airplane is still inside. We thought we were gonna be able to leave, but the ceilings are still too low. So now we're just waiting in the FBO for it to clear up. And then I'll just get back with y'all when we finally take the airplane out and hopefully leave. We still got 6 hours or 5 hours, something like that, left to go. And we will be there. What is he doing?
He's acting like he's hurt. That way you don't go find his eggs. Look at that one, he's on his back. Or no, he ain't. He's all flat now. He's like, look at me, don't get my egg. Somewhere in this gravel they got eggs.
I mean, that one over there, he's dedicated.
Well, so we took off from the other airport. We got up on top of a layer and we flew up to Jacksonville, Illinois, and then everything sucked in. We got down to about 500 feet and ended up landing here. So we'll wait it out and see what happens.
Yep. So we were gonna leave from Jacksonville, but it's cloudy. The Pacers parked out here, Jacksonville, Illinois. We got a Ram 7 guy. Ram 7 guy right there. He does stall competitions and stuff, but he had the same problem. He was trying to go back home from a stall thing, and the weather just came down, and we had to land here. But this is gonna wrap up part 1. I don't really like doing part 1s and part 2s, but I figured I must have to do this because I don't really want my video to be an hour long. Part 2 is probably gonna come out next week. You can go watch that too. But, yeah, that's gonna end that. This is Jacob Hancock, and you're watching J-Pilot.